Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dirli Aliski from class 2 PCMA. Here I want to give you a video of 5 traits. Number 1, namely triangular traits. Number 2, square traits. Number 3, trapezoidal traits. Number 4, saw traits. Number 5, radius traits. Okay, let's continue with speed video.
Common trait with a triangular cross section. This trait is usually found on beverage bottles. A square or rectangular cross section. This trait is found on the broom hand traits we often use every day. This is the trapezoidal trait, a type of traits with a trapezoidal profile. This trait is often used for power screw because it is strong and easy to make. This is the saw trait, a type of saw trait that is triangular in shape with a ugly cut. And this is the radius trait, a special type of trait that has rounded peaks or valleys in a radius. Thank you.